Welcome, students, to our journey of online learning. A recap of what we have studied so far. To sum up, we have covered 3 chapters and 2 practice worksheet. This week, we will study formatting data. Read the definition. Students, it is not so that we practice formatting using computers. Even if you write in your notebook, you format, such as underlining chapter name or definitions. Question and answers you write in margins. That formatting gives your notebook a neat and cleaner look. In the same way, formatting in Excel provides worksheet a neater look. We can format numbers, date, time and text. But this week we are studying formatting numbers. These are the steps to format numbers. We can display numbers with decimal, comma or separator. Here we are demonstrating the steps to format numbers in Excel worksheet. First step is select the range of cells to be formatted. We are selecting from A3 to A7. Select Home tab. Third step is click on dialog box launcher of number section. Dialog box launcher is the arrow pointing downwards. Now format cell dialog box appears. Here we will click on number tab. First select the category of format. Here the category we are selecting supports 2 decimal places. Once we click OK, you will observe that the numbers in range have 2 decimal places.